everybody, Justinia from the Arts College. Welcome to our questions that we get in our art tips of how do I repair my painting if it gets a hole in it. There's various types of ways that you can do it, because you can actually, if it's a canvas, you can actually combine it with your painting. So you can either get a piece of canvas, cut it and stick it to the back over here and then connect it, or it might just be that you may have to start the painting again. So it depends on your level of skill, of how skilled you are in your actual painting. So I would recommend, before you even start your painting, it's looking at the processes beforehand and researching the type of canvas you're using, and if it is that right canvas. So sometimes cheaper might not always be better. It's possibly looking at preparing before you start those paintings. I know it's inspiring to get jumping in and start them now, but sometimes it's worth, a very good lesson for you to learn is to do a bit more preparation before you start those paintings.